promise you anything, but it's obvious that I will have to go away also. And maybe you could come with me. I have no idea if it can be done, but I can ask. Where are you going? I guess my father will send for me, so I will be going back to my planet. Knobcracker scratched his head. Oh man, this is getting weirder by the minute. Now I could be moving to another planet. What do the people there look like? How is your planet? Hello? Do I look different to you? You must be watching too many movies. The people on Har look like you and me. Well, they may look normal, but if they are like you, they are anything but normal. You just finished talking to a dog, Knobcracker exclaimed. Yes, it was strange. I did not know I could talk to a dog. I guess I have some abilities that I'm not aware of yet. You can say that again. The next time you will be discovering that you can fly, Knobcracker replied very sarcastically. And to find out more about this wonderful, exciting adventure, please check out www.knobcracker.com.